Today we're going to show you how to run a credit card sale in Baymaster software with 360 payments. So from the main screen, you want to go ahead and choose a ticket that you're ready to charge. Then you want to go down and click on Make Payment. From in here, you want to make sure that the external processor is checked. You can edit the amount that you want to charge if you like. And then you have the option to choose which terminal you want to use. And then click Submit Payment. This will then light up the customer-facing credit card terminal for the customer to enter their card. Once the transaction is approved, it'll give them a prompt to sign on the screen. And then back in the software, it'll register that payment. And then you can choose to do a print preview, and the signature will show up on the invoice, and the payment will be registered on the invoice as well. Then back in the ticket, go back here, there we go. You will see that the payment has been recorded there. And if you go into the payment history, you can also see that the payment is there, and it'll also give you the option to refund or void the payment if needed. Thanks for watching.